Hey guys, look at this fruit basket my friends got me. I like how the straws are arranged in a crisscross manner. This is called the basket weave pattern. Did you know that even cloth or fabric is made by weaving? Well, just like the basket is made by weaving together two strands, fabric too is made in the same way. You don't believe me? Well, come on, let me show you. This is a magnificent view of a piece of fabric. If you look closely, you will see that the fabric is made by arranging two yarns passing through each other at right angles. This process is called weaving and is very similar to the way the basket has been weaved. The process of weaving is done using looms. There are two types of looms now. The hand loom, which is worked by hand, and the power looms, which are operated by a power source, which is usually electricity. Power looms are generally used for the large scale production of fabrics. In hand looms, the entire process of weaving is done by hand loom laborers. And do you know what all clothes are made from fabrics that have been weaved? Well, almost everything that you wear, from shirts, t-shirts, dresses, jeans, and many more clothes. The next time you pick a garment, check to see if it has a hand loom tag on it. If it does, then don't forget to thank the hard-working laborers who weave the garment for you. Until next time.